Hi there, I'm Amber and these are the Holland Grande and Holland Plaza pavers. They are a large format paver with a smooth texture and beveled edges. This gives your patio a clean contemporary style. They are perfect for grand patios off a back door, detached patios near a garden, and they even make modest patios feel more spacious. As their name would suggest, the Holland Grande and Holland Plaza fit seamlessly into the rest of the Holland series. Now you can mix and match all 5 pavers together to make endless pattern combinations. Oh yeah, did I mention that they come in an array of colors? You can combine different colors to make a vibrant mosaic patio or keep them consistent for a sleek uniform patio. And now there is a ton of other reasons why I love this block, so go to our website for patterns, planning tools, and inspirational images to get your dream project started today. Happy building!